I know, buddy. You're a happy bird, huh? I want to miss you, dude. I've been feeding him for like 3 or 4 years now. Put the feeder out, comes and talks to me. Oh, my legs. Oh, there's another hummingbird. Just flew up into that tree over there. You guys to hear him when he's really going at it. I'll stay out here and watch you all day, dude. He's eating all the little bugs. I was watching him for a little bit, trying to figure out what he's doing. He's flying near the grass and whatnot over here. And there's all these little bugs that are floating around. And he's getting out and eating them, which is great. I watched a documentary about hummingbirds, and they eat bugs. So they don't just eat nectar, because they don't get any protein from the nectar. So they eat bugs to get all their protein. So, pretty cool. Been out here watching the homie for a little bit. Get the bugs, get the bugs. Get the bugs.